What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Drake Metal Sonic. He sent me this really good illustration of Metal Sonic. I was going to draw him just like looking forward from the movie, but then Drake sent me this. And it's pretty good. It's hard, not going to lie. He's running. And there's like a red glow coming from his eyes. It's cool. So, we're going to try this. I'm going to try and do it as detailed as I can see it here. I think this is like a fan art. Star Joy is written in the bottom, so full credit to that person. Let's go landscape page. Use a pencil. Use an eraser. You can always do black ink on top of your pencil. That's the best way to do it. Hit pause if I go too fast. Start with the head, right? And we'll go the relatively big eyes, like goes down, curves down this way, right? And then turns around the frown, and then up the other side. Okay, so it's like a curvy V. His black eyes, so come around this way on that side, and on this side it's thinner because it's turned away from us, right? And then we come across the front, kind of bumping up to there. It's kind of like a visor or goggles or something. So eye, red glowing eye. Go from there, and I'm probably gonna add like a red, like there's a red flame of color going that way. So I might add that. But we'll get the pupil in first. And we'll go black. All around here is black, but it's not pure black. You could do it pure black if you wanted. I might do it like a dark-ish black. And then like close to black, because then I can add kind of a shadow along the top, you know. Just a little trick I learned over the years. Can't see his pupil or anything in here. Don't know if we should or not. Can't see it in the picture, so maybe like a tiny little bit. Maybe a tiny bit, not sure. Yeah, that looks okay. Right, so his mouth part then. So his shoulder covers some of this. So what I'll do is go there, and then I'll just add a curve for the shoulder. Now you can just erase, like if you wanted to finish the mouth and erase, you can. But we'll just go, it's easier sort of for me if we just curve it, you know, around the shoulder rather than erasing. And then spiky nose, like real pointy. There. And a curve, metal curve on that. And then the other side has it like a wheel or something on it. Has it on the other side as well. So I'll do it here as well. And there's another wheel inside. Like a little, it's like a bolt or something. So we can see like the tiniest little bit of blue coming around the eye here. Like I know that you're just copying that shape for the line, right? And then this spikes quite big now. All the way. Now depending on how big you want, I'll stop it there because I'll probably run out of room. But I think that looks right. And it's kind of curves around here, so it's kind of, I guess it's like underneath that, it's above that shoulder, so they're kind of in line, you know, if you're wondering how far back you want to go. And then there, and then back down towards his face. or the shoulder. Yeah, I'll probably touch the shoulder there. Okay. So you can see an ear on this side. It's got a little triangle in there for the colored part. And then another ear in here. Right, it's kind of just, yeah, it's like sitting on top, so it's got an inside line as well. And then a curved line just in here. Right, so runner's pose. Arm going that way, up there, the other hand back. And there's all these pipes and gears and pistons and all this kind of stuff. So we'll just take our time with this and just start building it up slowly. So we'll go around with the shoulder. And then there's like a pipe coming out of it. Multiple pipes. Okay, and then there's like some detail inside here. And then like sort of lines on all this. Right, and then this comes down that way. There's all little bits that stick out, like wider cylinders and then thinner cylinders. You know, they've all different connections and curve lines on them. There is more detail in all this, but I'm kind of simplifying stuff. Right, and then elbow is like this. Then he's got another bolt here. And then this arm seems to go this way. So the elbow is kind of under the nose, you know, just if you're wondering about positions of things. And then he's got a hand here. So, yeah, so it's like a box. Like that, and then there's other sections inside. And then another so it's like a rectangle. Then there's like little things here. And he basically has claws, right? So they're like just these big spiky things. Going down that way, and then thumb. Curved lines around it, around each of them really. Okay. And then we can see his body in here. So that's one arm done. So that's probably like one of the hardest things in this. So like his body is spiky and then goes around to there, right? And then goes up under his chin. To there. And there's either a shadow or an opening, I'm not sure. It's black anyway. And then a little orange section here. Little details in that. Right. I might try and get this leg in and then the other one that's like in the air. So we'll do this first. Little curve line down for his, it's like his shin. Goes down and joins his big shoe. There's more details in this, like, and in here he's got a hip joint, but I'll just get the big parts of this in first because it's kind of complicated. It's quite large. Okay. Then the back of his shoe. Like that, right? It's kind of on the ground. And then he has a like a bolt or something here. There's like an inside. And then like so, right? We got to join it up to his body. So pipes and hip, right? So we'll go just join it up like that. Then there's like a pipe. And then this blue part goes around there. Okay, nearly there. Just a leg and an arm to go. So there's more pipe for the next leg here. I'll just do this one kind of straight, or maybe a bit easier. And we can add little curves on them like that. So then there's an opening for his ankle. Here, and there's all like lines curving around that way. And then the back of his shoe. So he's got a blue section first. with a bolt on it. And then the red that side. Then there's one of these. And then the front of his shoe. Much smaller than the other side now, because this is like right close to us and this is far away. Okay. So last bit is his arm that swings back this way. So blue sort of forearm, this metal here, and we can see a bolt. And then like a little sort of hinge joint sort of opening there. And then his box-like hand again. We're looking at the side this time. And then more claws. So like thumb is going back this way. And then the pinky. There. Ring finger. Middle finger is kind of behind that one. And then the index goes up that way. And then we do those curved lines. I think there's just 2 on each. Like that. Okay, Metal Sonic, complicated one. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support on Patreon, Drake. See you in the next one. Bye.